Hello, if you are an entrepreneur, housewife, student, employee, or a business person who's trying to struggling with it that you are not getting time for yourself and complete your work on time. In this video, I will discuss a technique to manage your time, that is time management. Time management plays an important role in both personal and professional success. Stay tuned and welcome to my channel. You have probably heard the quote, time is money. The quote is wrong because you can recover the lost money, but you cannot recover the lost time. As a result, time should be valued more highly than the money. So, time is not a money, time is more precious than money. As time is valuable, important, and irreversible, once the time is gone out of the hand, it will never come back. So, every second counts. So, let's learn the technique to manage the time. Time management is the process of planning and exercising the conscious control of time spent on a specific activity, especially to increase the effectiveness, efficiency, and overall productivity. Day to day, we have a lot of work, but only 24 hours we have, which is equal to 86,400 seconds. For some people, 24 hours aren't enough because they are not having the fixed timetable. They do not prioritize the work. They multitask a lot. They get easily distracted. People who are easily distracted fail to complete their task on time. That is checking the messages, social media accounts, and other information on the mobile phone every 10 minutes. These people referred as BDN, that is busy doing nothing. They are doing nothing yet appears to be quite busy. To manage the time very easily, Stephen Covey introduced a matrix. We can call it as a Stephen Covey matrix. The Stephen Covey matrix is a productive model developed by the renowned author and a time management expert Stephen Covey. So it helps us to organizing the work based on the importance and the urgency, allowing us to make more informed decision about where to focus our time and attention. Stephen Covey matrix has 4 quadrants based on the urgent task and the important task. Urgent tasks are the tasks require immediate action or attention. Important tasks are the tasks with high significance or value to the goal. So the 4 quadrants in the matrix are quadrant 1, that is urgent and the important. Quadrant 2, important but not yet urgent. Quadrant 3, that is not important but urgent. Quadrant 4, not important and not urgent. Quadrant 1, urgent and important. These quadrants tasks are in the do it now category. These tasks cannot be ignored and must be completed as soon as possible. This quadrant has the following tasks, that is personal and the family obligations. So those are marriage, birthday, death, disease, accident, etc. And some of the emergency scenarios like heart attack, injuries, children's getting hurt, irate clients, etc. And also the projects with the deadline, those are emails, job offers, business opportunity, monthly closures, project deadlines, etc. So the quadrant 2, important but not urgent. The task under this quadrant falls do it later category, but do it timely. You must schedule this task. Spending time on the task in this quadrant gives you clear vision, balanced life, least crisis situation. The examples of this quadrant task are self-care, that could be a healthy diet, exercising, building a strong relationship, planning car and home maintenance. And it could also be the self-development, that is reading, learning, education, increasing the capability, getting new opportunities. You must complete the task in the quadrant 2 before they reach the quadrant 1. Otherwise, you will always be stressed and struggling with fire. The quadrant 3, not important but urgent. The task in this quadrant can be given to the others, since they may be unimportant to you but important to others. These duties must be completed immediately and cannot be neglected. The examples of such tasks are phone calls, text messages, emails, end of the day tasks, etc. Quadrant 4, not urgent and not important. The task in this quadrant can be cancelled or eliminated since they are unnecessary, insignificant, and a waste of time. When you free of these responsibilities, you are able to concentrate on the tasks in the quadrant 2. Examples of such tasks are watching TV, web surfing, social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc., playing video games, online shopping, and etc. Now that we have explored each quadrant, now let's see how we can apply this Covey matrix in our daily life. The step 1 is list out your tasks with deadlines. Start by listing all your tasks or activities for the day or a week. Step 2, categorize the task into quadrants. The next step is categorize each task into appropriate quadrant based on its urgency and importance. Step 3, prioritize quadrant 1 and quadrant 2 tasks. Give priority to the task in the quadrant 1 and the quadrant 2. Quadrant 1 tasks need immediate attention, while quadrant 2 tasks contribute to your long-term goals. Step 4, that is delegate or eliminate the quadrant 3 and quadrant 4 tasks. That is delegate or eliminate the task in the quadrant 3 and quadrant 4 as much as possible. These tasks often take up valuable time and distract us from what truly matters. If you manage your time effectively, you will be able to achieve your goals and become more successful. An inch of time is an inch of gold, but an inch of time cannot be purchased from an inch of gold. Therefore, you should understand the value of time and think before spending it, because time never comes back. I hope you find this information valuable and that it helps you to become more effective in managing your time and tasks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you next time.